It's coming up on mid-January now, and right here I'm in my front yard looking at what I planted last fall. So we've got some kind of, I think it's Russian kale, and then oatgrass. And there's just some henbit that's a quote-unquote weed. And then in here we've got lentils, as you can see. So I planted this cover crop, just wanting to avoid having something boring like that. Obviously, that's not my thing. And have something that I could pick. So I've been out here this month supplying all of my needs for leafy greens with this patch that goes all the way up there. Better in some spots than others. Then here's kind of the elm or whatever it is that kind of grows in there. It kind of comes up everywhere because there's a big tree of it right there. And it also turns out that dogs love grass. So Sammy, as well as some of the neighbor dogs, really enjoy getting down on some oatgrass. So this patch has really done me well. Actually, the first thing that I did was there were a bunch of sunflowers growing here, and here's one of them coming up again. Those were wonderful. They fed the finches in the fall as they were migrating. I kept them as long as possible, even though the city of Bryan, Texas complained about it and sent me nasty letters. But when I took those down, I spread a bunch of these leaves, some of which I got from the neighbor's driveway or pulled from bags on the side of the road where people had raked or leaf blown them. And it's making this nice fertile layer there. And so I'll probably work this up with the broad fork, and I don't know what I'll plant next, but I'll probably plant sunflowers to kind of overshadow this. But I bet some of this kale will come back, and yeah, that's a really nice one. Kind of curious if some of this is going to go to seed. Then the other thing is that I've buried some logs in here. So, ooh, what's that? Are you a roach? Maybe that's one reason not to. But the way that they kind of rot away and hold the moisture, I think it helped this tree out. And so yeah, I've got a number of logs just kind of buried or half buried. Little lizards love them, so I like them too. Anyway, it's my side lawn in the bordering suburbs.